Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Pad 2 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, just check our tutorial of how to do it, so how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device, or you can do it on your own after entering the Play Store. So now all we have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Let's tap on Manage, and here let's tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, this is the list of the apps which can be updated. Of course, if you want, you can update all of them, just mark them all. I will just choose maybe LinkedIn and maybe music and Netflix. So just mark the options which you'd like to update and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.